The Institute covers a range of quite diverse areas for the construction sector, covering sustainable energy, renewable energy, the performance of buildings, geotechnics, and predominantly looking at brownfield sites and some of the new skills and off-site construction systems we'll need for the future. I think one of the strengths of the Institute is the sort of foresight and horizon scanning that the staff do, looking at some of the challenges and the issues which are coming in the future. I think the construction sector knows well that the issue of carbon emissions, the performance of buildings, is key to the Scottish Energy Centre. It's the ability to look at all three sectors of the energy envelope and the energy issues. That is the source of power, looking at renewable, micro-renewable energy for building, the fabric of the building, its energy performance and reducing thermal conductivity, and finally the behaviour of the occupants. To that end, our staff work on new products and systems which we think will help the industry in the future, but also we look to tackle and assess what are the future building regulations which the government is going to have to bring in.
We'd heard about the BPAC project, Hangar 17 as it was called. There was a lot of intrigue about what the project was and what it might mean to the construction sector in Fife.
BPAC's a UCAS accredited test house. It's successful because it adopts a slightly different approach to testing and accrediting products.
One of the benefits of using BPAC and Hangar 17 and this whole prototype development mechanism is allows house builders and manufacturers to actually physically build and test a full prototype out of sight, bit of peace of mind, full R&D development, and Edinburgh Napier and the Institute of Sustainable Construction experts supporting them.
I think the Institute have got a raft of highly skilled individuals, and BPAC has got the latest state-of-the-art test equipment.
It will certainly mean that they will start to be able to look at some of the new innovations in building technologies and advance those innovations and make sure that they actually have a route to take it to market as well.
The Queen's Award was given for the Robust Standard Details project, and it was the largest industry-funded project for the house building sector in over 50 years. We had to develop new designs, new systems for the sound insulation performance of attached houses. And the issue was that the industry needed solutions very quickly, but they also needed to test them. And ultimately we needed to build them. So we project managed 175 construction sites simultaneously to build the designs that we had developed, and they built for us 1,400 new homes in 9 months. So it's been a great effort by the entire team right across the Institute who were involved with that. And today 500,000 dwellings have now been built with these new designs.
Academics are always criticised for not being commercially aware. You couldn't attribute that to the people that we've worked with in Edinburgh Napier. They understand the end game and they try and help their clients achieve that end game.
So what our Institute is doing just now is trying to help the entire sector look to try and offset the costs that are coming by innovation, by designing new systems, by looking at new foundations for brownfield sites, or new products and components, or off-site construction, where we can try to reduce the oncoming costs and make the industry as competitive as it can be.